Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move columns in Excel. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to get more videos like this. So first of all, select the column that you need to move. Okay, then put the cursor on the side of the highlighted column. Then press the or hold the shift key so that the four-sided arrow appears below the cursor. Okay, now use the left click on your mouse and drag the column A to the desired position. Suppose you need to move the column right to the column B, then this line should appear at the right of column B. Okay, now first let go of the left click of your mouse. Hold the shift key but let go of the left click of your mouse. Okay, then let go of the shift key. Okay, as soon as you let go of the left key of your mouse the columns will get interchanged, or the column will be moved to the desired place. See here, the full name is moved to column A and the employee ID is moved to column B. Okay, Control Z. Let me show you to do this with only a part of a column. For example, this range. Hold the shift key. First put the cursor on the border line of the highlighted column, then hold the shift key. You can also hold the shift key later. Anyway, I'm trying to say that you can drag it, then hold the shift key like this. Okay, and then let go of the left click on your mouse, then let go of the shift key. See, the names and employee IDs columns are moved accordingly. Okay, Control Z. So this way you can move columns in Excel. You can do the same for rows also. Okay, select them, then put the cursor on the highlighted border of the rows and hold the shift key, then use the left click to drag it to the desired position like this. Okay, then let go of the left click. See, the ID 005 is here instead of at the top. Okay, Control Z. Now you can also use the cut and insert option to move columns and rows in Excel. To do that, you need to select the entire column or the range of the range from the column that you need to move. So select the entire column, then you can use keyboard shortcut Control X to cut, or right click and then click cut. Okay, now suppose you need to insert new column in between B and C. Okay, or say B and C, then select the C column, then right click on the highlighted area and then choose insert cut cells. Let's see what happens. Okay, so insert cut cells. See, the column employee ID column is moved from column A to column B. Okay, so if you need to move a column before a particular column, then you need to cut that column and then select that particular column. Okay, let me do that again. Suppose you need to move column A before column C. Okay, then cut column A, select column A, employee ID column, Control X, then select column C as you need to move column A before column C. Then right click on the selected column, then choose input cut cells. Okay, this will automatically insert the cut column here before column C. Okay, so the employee ID column is moved before the job title column, that is column C. Okay, so this is another way you can move cells in Excel. You can use this to move rows also. Okay, and you can use this to move multiple columns. The same procedure, you just need to select multiple columns before applying the procedure. Okay, so this is how you can move rows and columns in Excel. Thank you for watching. Once again, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. This will help this channel to grow and you will get more videos like this. Thank you very much.